Maybe I'm popping guard.
They're all down, guys. Give them a sec. They're down.
No, we're gonna kill him now. It's fine.
No.
Yeah, he's running Grail.
Just wait. Like, don't be assholes. Like,
especially since the last one of the fucking night. Like,
yeah.
But I mean, I know why she's doing it.
Sorry, I'm bloodthirsty.
You're a clothy, dude. You're gonna get fucked up if you're in the front line.
If my other
I know how to blink very well. I close my eyes.
Yeah, I forgot it's not full hammer.
I'm about to
This
do a
should be
battle
super
in a
easy.
second.
I need like
I'm gonna
heals.
pass it on.
I need like heals.
I need like heals. Like I'm just
Alright,
getting
they're coming in.
Like it's supposed to
Be
not
careful.
heal. Yeah, of course.
They just completely counter their spot. They have
I got Oib in the back. Got Oib.
Naz is super low. They're coming in. Oh no.
Oh shit.
I'm dead. Dead, boys.
Okay, that's fine. Just heal up.
Get Sunny here on the side.
Yeah, look at Sunny. Look
Get
at Sunny.
toxic. Wait, he's squishy. He's a
Yeah, that's toxic. Toxic. Is
yeah.
healing.
What? He didn't get hurt at all. He's a healer.
He heals on eggs.
We had a fucking bubble.
Literally, just throw heals at me, bro. I just bedrocked their entire. Oh, caboose!
Fuck.
You just knocked him up when I bedrocked him. I think. That's fine, whatever.
Not Julian.
Careful how deep you guys are.
I can purge. We're fine. Purge.
He's pop res. Be careful.
Yeah.
Not Julian has no res.
Can I receive heals, please? Don't heal me.
I'm running low on mana.
I got toxic.
I don't have.
You guys have no. You have the Druid Cal. Druid Cal's gone.
Well,
Okay, they're looking here in a second.
Yeah, they're looking.
No, Naz's just gonna use. Okay, never mind.
I have their DPS cut off. Now Julian blinked in. Get on now Julian. Inner backline.
I'm popping back.
I'm empty.
Look at it. Or,
He has no mana.
dude, like I need heals. You're not
And
healing me at all.
I need mana.
Yeah, they have no
I can't
mana.
press
With
buttons.
toxic.
Emma. Fuck.
They wasted their perma.
Let's fall back here. Both our healers are in, so.
Yeah. We have
Oh yeah, we also.
It was really unfortunate that I was the one that got clapped, and I didn't.
Oh snap!
I tried to purge everything, and I tried to. Yeah, GG.
I think you're a little too far up front, probably. Or did you get sucked, or what happened?
Yeah, I got sucked. I got Grail Seekered in place, and then I got sucked, and it wouldn't let me blink.
That's why we need an arcane cleanse.
Oh, it's only us two left. Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah,
you guys are done.
just give it up.
Yeah.
Yeah, we had that was a super unfortunate pick.
That was the absolute worst pick. I walked up, I feared them. Oib rooted me in place, and then they sucked me, and I couldn't do anything.
Yeah. You gotta blink, bro.
I couldn't blink.
You blinked. That's what happened.
You know, literally, I've literally been blinking all night, and I've literally not died one time to a clap like that. And in the last fight that I really want to win, I get caught.
You only died because you blinked. I told you not to blink, and then you got clapped. Oh, you gotta keep your eyes open, man.
They got a purple chest too.
Oh, that's good.
Imagine getting clapped. Yo.
Dude, imagine getting clapped to a fucking longbow glacial permacomp.
Yeah.
Hey, it's not me who got clapped. I still got my money.
And that's why healers
well,
always
that is
use
like,
them.
like it's the most predictable possible way for them to engage on us, and like
Shit,
not,
dude.
not enough defensives or something. I don't know. Like cleric, or if you're getting caught in there, just like cleric.
Well, all I know is when I got caught, there was no Judy on me. I don't know what happened. I tried to pop cleric.
I'm not gonna have Judy on you every engage that they have. My Judy cooldown's like 50 seconds. And
Well, I don't think you'd pop Judy yet though. Maybe you did. I'm not sure.
It was
Yeah,
you got on their second or third engage, and I didn't have it up then.
Yeah.
Because my Judy isn't for saving claps. That's what my Guardian's for. Judy is for topping people up. Sometimes they'll use it to.
They got 14.2 mil.
Oh, you passed out for a while. Sure, you.
So we made. I think we're gonna make at least some money.
But
Yeah,
did
well, we're definitely
did
making
you-
money. What
yeah.
did we lose? We lost 2 sets. That's like, what, 800k? If you have a 400k set?
Yeah.
And mine was
I don't
only
really, I don't really care about the money, to be honest.
mine was 300k. So I mean,
Right now we have like a mil.
yeah. So
Or
I'm down
like a million.
600k.
Just like one drop and see.
I think
but
running
yeah, but
3 teams. I think running 3 teams is too much. 2 teams I think is good.
No,
2 teams gives us
because-
practice.
You know what
Oh
I
wait,
mean?
shit. We have 20 people, not fucking
Yeah, we have
30.
20. We don't have 30. Yeah.
Hold
So
up.
we already have 12 plus 14. So we're already at 26, and they just got another 14 mil chest.
Yeah.
So we're at 40
But
mil.
you didn't even
With 20
take
people,
the
that's 2 mil
iodine
apiece.
when you've had the
Yeah, that's pretty good.
bottle, I don't think.
And
Like,
again,
that
I
started
think my
happening
my gear was
separately,
about
pretty
600,
sure.
650k. So I mean, like, yeah, that's really worth it.
So,
Plus repair bill though. So like
Oh,
what?
repair
1 or
bill.
2 mil
if you're
profit.
feeling
Are you
that
guys
bad,
repairing
you
the
should
loot
just try
first?
a
I don't
little
think you're supposed to
bit, see
repair
if
the
it
loot.
makes you
Why
feel
is there
better, because
11?
if it
Why is
does,
there 11
then
masterpiece pole hammers?
Don't listen to somebody that just
Don't worry about it.
doesn't
Oh, that's
sound
probably-
like that.
Oh,
Part of
did
it's
you
coming from-
did you want us forge hammers
They should know,
or someone?
like,
Did you trade for something?
it shouldn't need you
Me?
to be an
No.
experiment.
No,
you know
not
what
you.
I'm saying?
Whoever put that in there, did you trade it for an item in there you really wanted?
I was the one that was gonna say that I was gonna take Ron's forge hammers, but
Well, it's only worth
Yeah, so you're not
650k,
taking-
so I'm trying to figure out what you got out of it.
Hey, go
I didn't
fuck
take anything.
yourself.
Hmm. All right, let's pop up to the chat since we're done here in a second. So.
I genuinely cannot believe that we died to that. It's like the worst damaging comp I've ever seen.
Oh snap! Oh snap!
But then again, it could just be the weed, something, but then that shit, still like dizzy.
Yeah.
And anxiety is just waiting.
You want to take a little bit? I can make you a fizzy magnesium with that, and that'll be double. What?
Can't just go to the doctor and then not do what they say and then
Well, I'm saying just to test it out, like.
but even the iodine.
I don't know, every time you've been like, wow, that was like immediate. That's every time I've seen it.
Maybe because I'd already been taking it.
Yeet. A little fuzzy muffin master. Fuzzy muffins. You're the cutest, fuzziest little muppet.
Nice.
Yeah, she's so funny. She like flips her head down like she's just like a little muppet. I got insulin now, and this is the healthy growth.
That's what she did.
Oh, you ran him again, right?
Yeah, and that's with the cows.
Yeah, I'll do it.
It's not that.
I'm just gonna pop my shit in the back. What are you waiting for you? Hey! What the heck? You little speedos. You little speedos. You're so cute. Doggy time. Time for nut. Time for snack. Scooby Doo wops. What's that?